Hey, doing my morning walk-in to the facility. Gonna give you a walkthrough before the students get in as I open up everything. Coming through the entrance over here. Alrighty. Admins, instructors. My office back over through there. And do a walk through the labs here. Alrighty. Morning walkthrough. Airframe lab here. Walk out to the corridor, turn the compressor on, so we can get things started. Big old compressor there. Did a lot of work with that. Turn the dryer on. Get back here. Have to watch out. Snakes are back here sometimes. Woo, no snakes today. Alright. Look at that one. Radial engine. Alrighty. Just open up the hangar doors. Open. Watch the east doors open. Can't get far enough back. There we go. Full field view. G100 over there, sitting over there by itself. Sometimes these keys here are finicky. Let's see if it'll open first try. Yeah, it did. Alright, Powerplant lab. Engines, so forth. See the turbine engine here, tearaway. Cutaway here, turbine. Over here, your reciprocating engine. Cutaway. Walking on down through. Classrooms are empty right now. Students on the way in at 8 o'clock. Sheet metal lab coming up here. Manufacturing, so forth. Building the aircraft. Like that shell right there. So again, sheet metal shop. And then the cabinet making lab here. Making little cabinets. Like the galley and things like that for the airplane. Then we walk into the sewing lab, the upholstery shop here. So we do it all here. We maintain the whole airplane. Everything except pilot training. We contract out for pilot training to Savannah Aviation. So again, we're 100% aircraft. Alrighty. Break area. Snakes come from. Alrighty. Read my sign here. So students don't use my refrigerator for their own. Anyway, that's me opening up the building here, the campus here, for another day at Savannah Tech. We'll chat with you later.